Right here I have a 4-pack of these Henley shirts and want to show you a little bit about these. So I'm 5'11", 150 pounds. I opted for the size medium shirts and they fit me absolutely amazing. Going down on length, I think they come down to a really nice spot. You could tuck this in or just let this overhang over a pair of slacks, jeans, shorts, or whatever. The sleeve length is perfect too. It doesn't ride over my wrists or anything. Comes to a really good length. You can see that these don't have an elastic going all the way around the sleeves, so just keep that in mind, but it doesn't go over my wrist and just falls really nice and feels very comfortable. I do like this style too because you can pull this up to your forearms and just wear it like this, and it's super comfortable. And that just helps you be a little bit more breathable all day. So I ended up getting these awesome colors. I ended up getting the gray, the navy blue, the white, and the black. I think it's a perfect set to just have in your wardrobe as just daily wear. You can actually get these all the way up to a 7-pack, and they do come in a short sleeve version as well. This is made with an amazing fabric. You can see that we have a 4-way stretch. This is gonna be 29% rayon cotton, 68% polyester, and a 3% spandex. It's gonna be on the thinner side, so it's gonna be very comfortable, lightweight, and breathable. I could probably wear something like this to bed as pajamas for the wintertime because it is just so comfortable. I wanna wear it all day. Check out this Henley 3-button setup that we're gonna get. It's really nice because you can just wear this buttoned all the way up and you can just undo the buttons as needed just to give you a little bit more style. Sometimes I like to wear them just too unbuttoned. It just gives it a little bit of flair, opens it up, and it'll kind of cool you off if you're wearing this on a hot day as well. But you do have plenty of options. These honestly feel so comfortable on your skin. I can't even describe the way that this fabric feels. You have to try this out for yourself and just check out the fabric. It is just like almost like a silky material, but it's just so comfortable. You can dress these up with a couple different styles. I'm gonna throw on a vest so we can see what that looks like. This right here is probably exactly how I would wear this shirt in the fall. I think this is a great accessory to have underneath a vest like this and just be able to complement it. We got the gray with the black, but that's why the 4-pack is so great because you can mix and match this so many different ways with different colored vests, or if you're wearing jeans, slacks, or anything like that, it's just gonna pop and look absolutely amazing. Look at this material. The stretch on it is absolutely insane. It is unlike anything that I've seen before. These shirts have honestly become my go-to, and I love the Henley because you can dress up or down with these so easily, depending on if you just wanna do a couple buttons or not. That's what makes these so perfect to have in your wardrobe. You can wear them to work, you can be casual, you can dress up very easily. You can honestly just tuck in a shirt like this into a pair of dress pants and all of a sudden you're dressed up. You can pull up the sleeves, wear these in so many different ways. I promise you, you're gonna love the fabric on here. It is just so moisture wicking and soft. You're gonna wanna wear this all day long and never take it off. If you're looking for your next wardrobe necessity and essential, this is something that I highly recommend. Add this to your cart, check out all the other colors they have. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.